So we're on our back with our cargo. We've got two 450 watt solar panels, a hoymiles inverter, all the necessary wires and brackets. We were at Giantswood Solar, which is just outside of Norwich. We met a chap called Martin, who is very, very knowledgeable. If there's something about solar that doesn't exist, he knows about it. It's simple as that. He's so knowledgeable. In actual fact, we had ideas of where we were going to site the solar panels, but after talking to Martin, we got another ideas, but we're going to keep that under wraps for now. So we're super excited to be on our way home. We're going to do like an unbox session as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm a few steps ahead of you if you're watching this video, because I now know how the process works, and by you following our steps, you're going to also know the process. And trust me, it is so simple. Well, I've said that before and things have gone very wrong, so yeah, well, I'll say it was simple. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one, and like and subscribe for the next video, and hopefully we'll get the unboxing today and plug it in a temporary site and see what we can generate. And I'll tell you what, I'll see you in the next one.